What's up, guys? Chef RedBeard here with Dherbs Kitchen. I know you've probably been in the grocery store, farmer's market, seen a kiwi, but it didn't quite look like a kiwi. Wasn't green on the inside and brown on the outside. It's because it was a golden kiwi. And let me tell you, this is delicious. I don't know if you've ever had maybe a pineapple or a kiwi and it's like burned the top of your lip. It's the acid. Too much, too fast will cause this reaction. Some people love it. Some people say, oh, that's the little acid burn. Or like when you drink a soda and you get that little, that's not this. These golden kiwis are milder, they are sweeter, and they're gonna make an amazing smoothie. This is 2 kiwis peeled and just cut up into our blender. This is a Gala apple. You can use a Macintosh, you can use any red, Braeburn. You can use the apples that you're going to plan on using for this holiday coming up. Green will work, golden will work. That's delicious. 1/2 a banana. Remember my adage, if I tell you to use a 1/2 a banana, it's up to you. You can use a 1/4 or 1/2, no more than that, unless you want the banana to overpower your entire smoothie. 1 cup of spinach. This is triple washed, out the bag. Doesn't really matter, just as long as it's clean. Ice cold water. Blend on high till all the ingredients are whisked together. Just a note, apples contain pectin, so that's going to expand and make the smoothie grow. And we're adding spinach, so you want to make sure that all of the veins in the spinach leaf have been triturated or blended in the smoothie. So let's give it about a minute. Excellent. I don't want to go too long because, again, this is a smoothie. If you want it to be a little colder or more frozen, you can add ice. Again, you can freeze the banana, you can freeze the apples, you can freeze the golden kiwi without adding extra water to dilute the smoothie. Here we go. It's green from the spinach. It has the red flecks from the apple. That pectin has actually made the smoothie thicker and given it some more body. Also the banana, and then the sweetness, the flavor is going to come through from that golden kiwi. If you haven't tried it yet, try it before the smoothie and then after in the smoothie. Let me know what you think. If you like this recipe and would like to see others, make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the little bell icon in the corner, and follow us at www.dherbs.com/me, Chef RedBeard. Enjoy. Mmm.